Doom scrolling product hunt and calling it research? You're losing a lot of hours to noise. Let's build an AI agent that extracts launches, identifies trends, and creates an entire dashboard for you real quick. Okay, here's the secret. You don't always have to create actions from scratch using the agent. Builders are stronger when they work together, and since the agent has network memory, it allows you to use each other's actions instead of reinventing the wheel. You're not just building alone, you're leveraging an entire community. What are micro workflows? The simpler the action, the lesser chance that the agent will hallucinate. L0 are our basic actions. They keep our agent from breaking even when the UI changes. L1 chains those tiny actions together into a workflow, and L2 is when your agent works on multiple sites at once, like creating a dashboard on one and extracting the data from another. Let's give our agent a persona to start with. Let's say you're an agent that can perform some deep market research on product hunt. You scrape details as instructed and make sure to analyze the launch, the makers, and the hunters. Before we build anything, let's check with the agent what actions it already knows how to perform. I'll ask the agent, do we already have an action to extract product details from the product hunt leaderboard? Perfect. We don't rename actions that already exist, we just call it. Now, we need a way to jump through the archive. Again, core browser actions are usually present in the network memory, and it's always a good idea to check with the agent. Is there an action in your network memory to open a new tab or navigate to a different URL in the same tab? Let's test it once. I'll say, call the existing action that takes a URL as input for the daily leaderboard and navigates there. Next, we group these L0 actions into an L1 skill. This skill binds all the search, navigate, and scrape actions to gather all the launch data. You can ask the agent to create an L1 that takes a timeline as input and loops through the L0 actions. Name it extract past week. Let's create a skill that renders a clean dashboard using the data collected. I'll ask the agent to create a dashboard that shows top products, upvotes, and keywords using a cute theme. Finally, we build our L2 layer. This is where we chain everything together in serial order. Let's take a time period as input, for example, the last week. Then ask the agent to chain those L1s together and create a dashboard with top 3 tech trends. Name it Weekly PH Trends. Now let's watch the agent work from start to finish. First, paste the prompt and remember to mention a timeline. It scrapes through launches automatically using actions from network memory. It generates a structured report with a shareable link, turning mindless doom scrolling into actual work. By building in levels, we've created an agent that is easy to manage and hard to break. But as you saw, the real power ups in network memory. You don't have to place every brick from scratch. You can just use the existing actions straight out of the box. That's not it. When you create an action, you can also decide if your actions remain private to you, your team, or are shared with the public. When you contribute to that collective brain, you make every builder stronger. If you liked the video, try a 100x bot and let us know what platforms you'd like to see automated in the comments below.